Hi, I will show you now how you can visualize any text as a network graph and then export it so you can print it online or in a research paper. So first of all, you have the visualization of the graph. For this example, I'm going to show how you can export an abstract representation of it, where you just see the structure. So you see the graph aligned here. You can improve the alignment if you click here, improve layout, and wait until the algorithm will align all the nodes in relation to how closely they are related to each other. So for example, if we're satisfied here, we can stop that, go to the analytics panel, export a vector file. It's going to be saved on our computer. Then you can use Adobe Illustrator to open it. So you open the file here. And the first thing you need to do is to change the background, because we had the black background in the original graph. So now we need to put it back into this file because it's exported with the transparent background, which is great because then you can use any color. In this case, I'm going to use black. Then I will send this object backwards so we can see the graph again. And also you should change the artboard size to the size of your square. So in this case, it's going to be like this. Next step, I don't want any labels here, so it's very convenient because you can use this tool and select just one label and then backspace, delete all the labels. And then I don't like these little nodes, so I'm going to select them too and delete them as well from the graph. And the last step is to select all the graph and then change its outline into white color. And then we have this nice representation here. So once we're done with that, we can maybe expand a little bit the size of the black square, as well as reposition the graph, change the artboard again so it reflects the size of our visualization. Okay, so we're ready now, and what we can do is to save this graph as a new SVG file here. Just keep with the default settings. And then what's also nice to do, if you're printing it somewhere, if you need high resolution, the format you need is actually not a vector one, but an image format. So here I'm going to use export as TIFF, export, and you can choose the resolutions. Usually if you're just printing something in a paper, 300 is fine. If you wanted a large scale format, then 600 would work better, and you would probably want to choose SMYK color. So we're exporting the TIFF file now. There we go. And for the web, it's much better to use Save for Web option. I see here I have a little bit of a white line, so I need to move that square back or just expand it a little bit to fix this. All right, and now I can export again. Maybe first the TIFF. And then the PNG file for the web. I usually like to do a resolution of 2000, but you can also use 4 if you want it to look nice on HD screens, and then choose PNG 24 here because it's better quality, and click Save and check the name of your file. Here we go. So that later when you open this using a normal editor, you will see that it's going to look just like a normal image here. Very nice. That's how it works. Try it out on InfraNodus.com.